There's no better way to deepen your understanding of SWOT than by seeing it in action. In this video, we'll walk through real-life SWOT submissions from users, showcasing what works, what to refine, and how to take any SWOT from surface level to strategic. Let's start with the first example. A small SaaS company entering a new market. Their submitted strengths include high customer retention, user-friendly platform, and dedicated onboarding team. These are clear, specific, and well-supported. A great start. But when we look at their weaknesses, we see limited brand awareness, small team, no local partnerships. These are real constraints, and they've done a good job being honest. But what could make this better is prioritization. Which of these weaknesses poses the biggest risk to market entry? That's what we'd want to emphasize in the strategy discussion. In the opportunities section, they list increasing demand for digital tools in education, regional grants for tech startups, and underserved K-12 districts. These are strong, timely, externally driven, and actionable. They've connected their SWOT directly to the market. Under threats, they list legacy competitors, potential policy shifts, and teacher burnout. Again, all valid, but they could go deeper. Which competitor is moving fastest? Which policy areas are most relevant? The more precise the threat, the clearer the counter strategy. Now let's look at a SWOT from an HR director in a mid-sized company. Strengths: loyal team, positive culture, low turnover. These sound great, but could be more measurable. Can they cite engagement scores, retention metrics, or employee satisfaction rates? That would give the SWOT more weight. Weaknesses: lack of career paths, outdated HR tech. These are critical and actionable, but they could be paired with impact. How is this hurting hiring, onboarding, or morale? Opportunities: younger workforce entering the industry, HR automation tools, new DEI training models. These are strong. They've looked externally and found areas of growth. Threats: economic pressure on hiring budgets, shift to hybrid work. Both are valid, but again, it's about detail. Is hybrid work causing cultural disconnect? Are budget cuts slowing headcount growth? The more real you can make the threat, the better the planning. Next, we have a submission from a nonprofit. Strengths: mission-driven staff, strong community ties, grant funding. Clear and compelling. Weaknesses: limited donor diversification, outdated CRM, inconsistent messaging. Excellent points. These show internal pain points that could stall growth. Opportunities: social media engagement, partnerships with local schools, policy changes in favor of our cause. These are the right kinds of opportunity, tied to external momentum. Threats: increased competition for funding, volunteer fatigue, changing community needs. This SWOT reflects real-world pressure points. They've taken a grounded, honest look. Now, what do all these examples have in common? First, they're willing to be honest. Good SWOTs don't gloss over problems. Second, they tie insights to context. A SWOT isn't a generic exercise. It's shaped by your mission, your audience, and your environment. Here's how any SWOT can be improved. 1. Make it measurable. Numbers give power to insights. 2. Focus on impact. Not every item is equal. Prioritize. 3. Use language that drives action. Be specific and strategic. 4. Look for patterns. Where do your quadrants connect? Revisit it regularly. A static SWOT loses power quickly. To everyone who submitted, thank you. Your real-world examples show how SWOT becomes truly valuable when it's grounded in clarity, courage, and follow-through. Your SWOT is your mirror and your map. Keep refining it and let it guide you forward.